What's the meaning of airless? Airless. 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 Airless.
The term airless refers to the lack of air or the absence of oxygen in a particular environment. When something is airless, it means that there is no air present. For example, an airless room would have no ventilation and no fresh air flowing into it. In extreme cases, an airless environment can be dangerous to human health, causing suffocation or even death. Additionally, airless conditions can lead to other negative consequences, such as humidity and moisture buildup, which can damage buildings or equipment.